Hey there, fair entrepreneurs, Ben Isaacov here, your business breakthrough strategist and exit planning advisor. And today I wanted to talk to you about superpowers. And my point is that everyone has one. And yes, that's right, you have a superpower too. My superpower is ability to see business as a collection of separate processes and identify which one of them are not working with the rest. It's a skill that I have honed over the years and now it became a core competency for me. But what about you? Do you know what your superpower is? Maybe you are a great communicator or you have an exceptional ability to solve complex problems. Perhaps you are a natural leader or have a talent of creative thinking. Whatever it is, my advice to you is to make it your core competency. I say don't try to be a fish trying to climb a tree. Instead, focus on your strengths and make them even stronger. That will help you excel in your life and in your business. So, take some time to reflect on your skills and abilities, think about what makes you unique and valuable, and then make sure you are leveraging that superpower to its full potential. Remember, everyone has a superpower. It's up to you to identify yours and use it to your advantage. With a little bit of focus and dedication, you can achieve great things and make a real difference in the world. So, as always, please let me know if you need a little help with that. It was Ben Isaacov from Congruent Clarity, where your success is my story.